that this pandemic is getting worse.
The doctors say they've seen nothing like it. Hundreds each day.
Unemployment for more than 30 million.
Calling
GDP
out for some
shrank.
help with this
In
pandemic.
2020, everything we knew about the world changed. Many businesses were unable to navigate the uncharted territory of these unprecedented times. We knew we had three choices: give up, give in, or give it all we've got. Our community needed to come together to forge a new direction and upgrade our mindset. No one said it was going to be easy, but we knew it would be worth it.
Welcome to the 4th SingularityU South Africa Summit, taking place online in 2020.
The SUSA Summit Online 2020 went live across the nation and the globe with expanded themes and topics. The media launch kicked off with a fully immersive virtual reality event, propelling our guests into the future. With a challenge to deliver the inspiration and the insights right into people's homes. We imagined and designed 4 virtual stages: the Africa Arena, the Amphitheatre, the Conversation Studio, and the Highlight Stage. 18 workshops were hosted on the key themes, and our digital expo opened the door for business opportunities. And after full days of learning and networking, guests came together in our virtual reality bush experience. They listened to music by the Boma together or connected by conversation at the watering hole and in the baobab forest. The online experience was a hit, with thousands watching at home from 561 global organizations across 7 continents and in 44 countries. In the face of adversity, we responded with an explosion of creativity. In the wake of cancellation, we chose innovation, and fueled by caffeine and big dreams, in the pursuit of success, we seized opportunities, collectively producing a world-class, world-first SUSA Summit Online. More than 125 cutting-edge speakers, over 110 interactive sessions, and over 30 hours of thought leadership programming.
Our mission of building a global community of changemakers has never been more relevant.
There is power in connection, and the global community came together to learn, network, and share ideas on how Exponential Technologies can tackle the world's biggest challenges, and how we can build a better future for all. We hope you join us to create an exponential Africa